Yeah, they were, and the head of the state Democratic Party says that he knows gerrymandering is bad, but that Democrats were just responding. For now, it means Democrats cannot ask voters whether the state should temporarily abandon its independent redistricting committee and draw new Democrat-favored maps for 2028. Colorado Democrats did not start the gerrymandering fight.
I certainly wasn't thrilled.
And now, the state may not be a part of it either.
I'm ecstatic that the Supreme Court vindicated the Colorado people.
Former Republican Secretary of State Wayne Williams and Colorado Democratic Party Chair Shad Mirab are on opposite sides of Colorado's redistricting debate.
Donald Trump started this war, and unfortunately, we're being forced to respond to that.
On Monday, Colorado's Supreme Court unanimously rejected 5 ballot proposals, some from Democrats and some Republican countermeasures, that would have changed voting districts before the 2028 election. Colorado's current congressional map was drawn in 2021, and it resulted in 4 Democrats and 4 Republicans in the House right now. The blocked Democratic proposal could have resulted in 7 Democrat-leaning seats and 1 likely Republican.
So I grew up with Mom telling me 2 wrongs don't make a right. In this case, there's like a dozen wrongs don't make a right.
The Colorado Democrats' hope to gerrymander the state in their favor was done to counter Republican states that have done the same at President Trump's urging. Texas and 7 other states have redrawn congressional maps that give Republicans more House seats. California and Utah have redrawn maps that favor Democrats. The court said the measures, which would have paused Colorado's voter-approved independent redistricting process and approved new maps, violated the state's single-subject rule for ballot initiatives.
Well, I don't think the vote from the Supreme Court was necessarily on the merits of why this needs to happen. It was really about the technicalities of this initiative.
Mirab says the party is now looking at what's next, which may be Democrats in another state trying to do what Colorado Dems couldn't.
We need to make sure there's an even playing field for the control of the House, and so I'm eager to see what other states come up with.
Mirab says there's a chance that the legislature takes this up next year, referring a new measure to voters for the following year. There's also a chance, he said, that Colorado just sits this one out and lets someone else take control of it. For now, they've got attorneys evaluating those next steps. Live in Denver, Spencer Soisher, 9 News.